I'm meteorologist Monica Woods, and we're getting awfully close to Thanksgiving. We still have some wet weather to contend with here on our Thursday regional headlines, though include dry and cooling weather for the coast. We've got clearing for the valley. Watch out for some fog. Now, showers are lingering for the foothills and for the Sierra. Still more snow showers heading our way. Mammoth Mountain opening on Thursday. This is going to be one of the first ski resorts that's opening. Great conditions, especially throughout the central Sierra, which has largely been in the favorable zone of these recent storm systems coming through. Our model snowfall totals into our Friday still supporting more accumulation coming into the Sierra. So we'll have some fresh powder, and more ski resorts, by the way, are opening. So check daily to see when your favorite one comes online. Could do some early season skiing and snowboarding. I'll look at how that rain continues through the Central Valley here into our Thursday. The back edge of this moving through by the time we get into Thursday night, but snow will continue to fall in the Sierra all the way into our early Friday. So additional snowfall coming in into our Friday. Watch out for travel delays, especially from about I-80 southward along 395 all through the Central Sierra. And showers will finally taper off into our Friday morning for parts of the Central Valley. Now, on the back edge of this, we're going to get the fog along Highway 99 and I-5. So if your travel takes you up and down I-5, perhaps heading out for some early travel, just be aware encountering that fog to start us off and then clearing for the afternoon. But showers also heading into central and southern California. So kind of a mixed bag of precipitation and some weather delays, potentially snow in the Sierra, fog and rain in the valley. Our rainfall totals aren't going to be too impressive with this particular storm system, only about a tenth of an inch to about 3/10 of an inch from Sacramento all the way south to Bakersfield and along the central coast. On the back edge of it, though, we are going to get some cold weather. Highs only in the 30s for this Sierra, certainly cold enough to support some snow, especially with those overnight lows in the 20s, 40s and 50s down the hill. Heading into the central Sierra, Yosemite up to about 39 degrees for our Thursday. Inland area temperatures will be in the 50s, much cooler than average. And the central coast also dealing with morning showers, afternoon clearing. Will be in the 50s from Monterey through Carmel, Big Sur, all the way into Morro Bay, 59 degrees. Inland areas for the San Joaquin Valley, only in the 50s for afternoon highs, and overnight lows will be plummeting into the 40s. Grab that extra blanket and extra cup of coffee for our Friday morning. 60s along the coast here for the Bay Area, 50s for inland temperatures. Again, we'll start it off with morning fog, afternoon clearing. Northwest coast highs are going to be in the 50s, very similar to what we'll see for inland areas. We're in the 50s for the north end of the valley, 38 degrees for Lassen National Park. Moving into the capital region, highs are going to be in the 50s to right around 60, quite a bit cooler for this time of year than what we're used to, and 40s for overnight lows. Our 5-day forecast, we've got the showers Thursday into early Friday for the mountains, clearing for the weekend. So if you are headed up to do some skiing and snowboarding, conditions look ideal. Bluebird conditions up there Saturday and Sunday. Rain for the foothills, clearing for the weekend, and we'll see those coastal showers also clearing for Saturday and Sunday. Our extended forecast, we've got just one day of disruptive weather here for our Thursday, although it's going to be chilly for morning lows, afternoon highs climbing back into the 60s for the weekend. Looking ahead to Thanksgiving, we're dry with highs near 60.